Hello friends, welcome to Dazzling Dishes for You. We are here in the Dazzling Dishes kitchen and we are going to make
lasagna with a yummy Indian twist.
And this lasagna is a very popular Italian main cuisine which is of layers of sauces like red sauce and bechamel sauce, veggies, cheese in layers. And in lasagna we will be adding an Indian twist, you'll find, with Indian herbs and spices. So let's get started. So first I'm going to take a big pan here and I have drizzled a little olive oil, as you can see, just a little bit, and let it warm for a minute or so. And this is a store-bought pasta sauce. Just pour almost 2 cups of pasta sauce in here and just stir. So here I have some Indian herbs like garam masala, kasuri methi and red chili powder. So I'm going to give a mix and I'm going to gently pour it in the lasagna, this sauce. And then stir it really well. A little spicy, a little flavorful. So let it simmer down for 5 minutes. Video about how to make the white sauce, the bechamel sauce. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And then in that, once it melts down nicely, we will be adding the white flour. Keep on stirring, it should not get dark brown. Once you see the lot of froth is coming, that means it's ready. You need to pour in the milk into it. So this is 500 ml of milk. Keep on stirring. To it we will be adding some Italian herbs and some garlic salt. Crush a little bell pepper and just a pinch of nutmeg powder. That's it. It started to thicken. So once you see it's started to thicken, just keep on stirring well. So as you can see now, it has become really thick. It's almost just like a creamy white sauce. It's all ready. Just for 2 or 3 minutes of stir and the sauce is all ready. Don't put the heat on high. It should be always medium-low. This is all done. Don't forget to taste because you really need to have a nice flavor and tasting. So just taste a little. It's perfect. All you need is a little of salt. So I will sprinkle a little of salt. Here you go. Then this is ready. So this has to cool down and then we'll be using it as one of the layers of the lasagna. We are taking a pan, putting a little oil because here we are making some veggies. We're just going to saute a little of veggies. So I'm going to put, this is regular olive oil. I'm going to put a little garlic, just diced garlic, just a little, and let it saute for a minute or so. I'm going to add some veggies into it. So these are corn, carrots, peas, and a little of edamame. Salt. Don't put too much of salt because we already have salt in the sauce. Let it saute for a minute again, and to it I'm going to add a little of black pepper. And these are my herbs, Italian herbs. So you can even put oregano or thyme, basil, whatever is there. Fresh will also work really good. So just saute it for a minute. Lastly, if you have cilantro, just put some leaves, cut the leaves, fresh leaves, and put the cilantro. This is Indian paneer, it's like Indian cheese, and I'm just taking sliced, saute a little oil and switch off the don't forget that. So this is all soft now. These are the fresh rosemary herbs, so I'm going to toss in a little of them. They're really, the aroma is really nice. So it's Italian with some Indian herbs, definitely, and Indian paneer. So this is Indian paneer. Now I'm putting it in the veggies, right, like this. And on top of it, I'm going to put zucchini. I've just cut the zucchini. So let it rest for a minute again. Let the herbs and the spices take the flavor. Let all the paneer and zucchini get all the flavor of the herbs. In the last, we are going to add these onion and garlic, which I just sauteed in the beginning. What nice color and texture of the veggies. Now let's get to the lasagna layering part. So friends, this is how we are going to layer the lasagna. So first I'm going to pour the red sauce. It has all the Indian herbs and spices. So just take a little bit more, spread it out. And now we are going to put the little sheets. So I'm going to put 3 like this, nice and easy. Now on top of this we are going to put the veggies. So here is the veggies. So I'm going to gently pour in. So now we'll be putting a little layer of cheese in between, just a little. And then again spread it nicely. And we will also put a little bit of bechamel sauce, the white sauce, just to give a flavor in between. Now we'll put the next 3 layers of the lasagna. Now again we are putting a little of cheese. That's it. Spread it out again. And now we are going to layer one more. And now we will be topping up with the bechamel sauce. So while this is the third layer, we are done. This is all the bechamel sauce, the white sauce. Don't forget to start baking the oven at 425 degrees Celsius. And meantime, we will be topping this with the cheese. I'm covering all the sides so that it's all, the melted cheese reaches all the corners of the lasagna. And then just use a spatula. So it's all ready to go in the oven. Be using a foil to cover the lasagna. Make sure you secure all the edges and seal them real tight. And it goes in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, but have a watch over it. And you see, it's all ready. See the layers? You can see. And we will be just cutting them into slices.